Observe them, feel them, and relax them. Starting with your arms. Direct your attention to the right arm. Requisite for the mind to become relaxed. Your body has to attain to a state of stillness, the relaxation. Your breath has to attain to the state of relaxation. And the mind, you find the mind automatically reaches to a state of calmness, peace, tranquility. And you have attained to that state at this moment in a matter of few minutes. Just being aware of the breath, being aware of the physical body, being aware of the mind, all three at one time. A bigger awareness of all three factors, all three entities. Your physical body at rest, your breath calm and at rest, and your mind calm, at peace and completely tranquil state. Being in this moment for a while. Being in this moment for a while. Now shift your awareness between your two eyebrows at the eyebrow center, the middle of the eyebrow. Here you have to imagine a divine flame, a candle flame like a flame. Just imagine this bright flame burning steadily at the eyebrow center. This is the Divya Jyoti which illuminates your entire head space. Concentrating on this image, we are going to chant 3 Oms. Inhale slowly. And while exhaling, you have to chant Om with me 3 times. Let's have one more breath. Shanti, Shanti. Take your awareness to the head and the face, the localized sensation, the region of the head and the face. Any sensation here you experience in the region of your head and the face, be aware. Neck and the shoulder, any sensation. The right arm, any sensation. The left arm, any sensation. Be aware of the arms and the sensations. The chest, the abdomen, the entire torso, any sensation. The right leg, the left leg, any to all sensation there in the legs. Entire pelvic floor, any sensation. And the entire length of your back, any sensation. The lower, mid, upper back, whole back, lower to up, any sensation. Lower back, then mid back, the upper back, whole back, lower to up, relax. Back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, and the facial muscle. The body is relaxed. Now transfer your awareness to the breath. Transferring your awareness. Breath becoming subtler, breath becoming relaxed, breath becoming free-flowing, breath becoming just mere watching the breath for a minute or 2. Inhale, come back, exhale down. So 4-step breathing here. Inhale, slow deep, the right arm goes up. Exhale, this side. Come back, exhale down, and this is the last arm. The left arm goes up, exhale to the right. Goes in the deep strength. Your gaze fixed to the point parallel to your eyes. Do not look at me. Exhale down. Let's synchronize your movement with the breath. Inhaling up, slow deep breath, deep strength. And then exhale, slow, steady down. 2 over. Let's have 3 more times, only 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale, slow, steady down. Every time you release and come down, the tiredness, stiffness leaves the body. Inhale up and stretch. exhale down, and the final one. And final one will stay in the final position. Let's count here mentally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. It's very good. Now spread the leg, a foot one. From the wrist. I said from the wrist, not from the elbows. Inhale. It's a big challenge to rotate the wrist. Inhale, upper half. Exhale, the lower half. Let's go reverse, the anti-clock. Inhale, upper half. Exhale, lower half. The clockwise 5 times. Ingoing, outgoing. Center. We'll have the third one for 3 times. Here, inhale, exhaling, move the head to the right. Inhale, come back, exhale, move the head to the left. Inhale, come back, center. Practice, synchronize with the breath. Exhale, move the head to the right. Inhale, coming back, exhale to the left. One more round. Let the eyes remain shut. Be aware of every single movement you're making, from darkness, lightness, any thought comes, be aware. Nostrils and smell. Nostrils and smell. Tongue and experience of taste. The tongue and experience of taste. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent. Taste of the moment, be aware. Whether your tongue is dry or wet, experience it.